Hi guys, before you replace your wipers, there is something important that we want to show you. If we did not have this pad here, we would need a new windshield. So always make sure to protect your windshield when you do wiper replacement. And right now we'll show you how to replace both Bosch and Goodyear windshield wipers. In case of hook arm wiper design, Bosch wiper blades get removed by pressing on the two sides of the cover like this, and then just lift the cover up. All you need to do next is pull the wiper down and remove it from the wiper arm. Put the wiper arm, as we said, on something soft, this way you won't break the glass, and our wiper is removed. I will show you one more time how to remove it. As I said, press on two sides like this, and this removes the cover, and as we showed, all you have to do after that is pull the wiper down. I will put it back on. So first you have to put it like this, put it on like this, and just pull it up. That's pretty much it. Just close the cover and it's fully secure. In the back of the vehicle we have the Goodyear wiper blade. This one actually has a different design. I'll show you how this works. As you can see, there is a small retainer right here near the base of the wiper, which you need to push down like this, and after that the wiper blade will slide out. Again, use the pad. I'll show you again how it works. This is the retainer. Push it down and then you will be able to slide off the wiper. To install it back, the idea is the same. Simply slide it on and it is secure in place.